There is a simple saying that many people have heard before. Even a broken clock is right twice a day. At first, it sounds like a joke, but hidden inside this small sentence is an interesting reflection about people. There was once an old man in a small village who kept a broken clock hanging in his home. The clock had stopped working years ago. Visitors often asked him why he never replaced it. One day, someone said to him, "That clock is useless. It doesn't even work." The old man smiled and replied, "Maybe, but it is still right twice every day." The visitor laughed at first, but later he began to think about the old man's words. Even something broken still carries moments of truth. And perhaps the same as true for people, sometimes we look at someone and quickly judge them. We focus on their weaknesses, their mistakes, their failures. But every person carries value. Every person has moments of wisdom. Every person has something meaningful to offer. Life becomes richer when we learn to see people with patience instead of quick judgment. Because sometimes the quietest person in the room may carry the most valuable story. Just like the broken clock, every life has moments of truth, and every person deserves to be seen with understanding.